Here are the answers to the problems on our last post about solving for the hypotenuse. Let's go ahead and get the answers here. Number 1, you were given a triangle, was drawn upside down, which is fine. You still know you're solving for the hypotenuse. You were given one leg is 6, the other leg is 8, and you were solving for C. Remember our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You're just going to plug the answers into your formula here. A and b are 8 and 6. It really doesn't matter which is which. Let's say that a is 8. 8 squared plus b is 6. 6 squared equals c squared. 8 times 8 is 64. 6 times 6 is 36. So we'll just add these together to get our answers. 64 plus 36 is 100. And in order to get c without the squared, you take the square root of both sides. The square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. There's the answer to number 1. Number 2, you were given another right triangle, and the legs were 5 and 12. So we were still solving for c. Let's plug it into our formula. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 5 times 5 is 25. 12 times 12 is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. So we'll take the square root of both sides in order to get c by itself. 169, the square root of 169 is 13. We'll show you how to get the square root on your calculator in another post. So 13 equals c. Number 3. Okay, the third triangle, you were given 2 legs. One was 12 and one was 9. So a and b are 9 and 12. It really doesn't matter the order again. So 9 squared plus 12 squared is c squared. 9 times 9 is 81. 12 times 12 is 144. 81 plus 144 is 225. Again, we'll use the square root button in our calculator. I'll show you how in another post. The square root of 225 is 15. C equals 15.